So I was about to pay for this Pictory plan, and then I saw that they have apply coupon. So I did some research and I found a coupon code, which is Creator20. And if you apply this, you can save yourself 20% on any plan on Pictory AI for the lifetime of you using it. So it says it's a forever discount, meaning that whenever this plan is going to renew for me, I get the discount again and it's automatically applied. So I was just able to save $93 on this plan specifically, getting the price down from, if we take a look, $462 to less than $400, right? Creator 20, click apply, and you can see it's now 386. So that's a huge discount. And this works on any plan for the lifetime of you using it. So if you want to try this out, I'll leave that coupon code in the description, but you can just apply it yourself as well. It's Creator20, spelled like that. And that will give you a 20% forever discount, which I thought I would just share with you because I know a lot of people are buying this and you might as well want to save yourself some money. So there you go. And let me know in the comments if this worked for you as well.